What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto scan when installing apps in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on app security and here click on app protection. Now click on this three dot more icon and then click on app protection settings. Now here you will see a auto scan when installing apps button. So if you want to turn on auto scan when installing apps, then turn on this button. And from the pop-up again tap on turn on to confirm. So now if you want to turn off auto scan when installing apps, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can turn on or turn off auto scan when installing apps in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.